carrot time. We are making a chopped Thai salad with kale. The recipe is calling for 3 cups of kale. I'm gonna double it because I want to. Then you're also going to add 3 cups of your green cabbage. 1 red bell pepper chopped. We need 1/3 cup of shredded carrots chopped. All right, so let's see, green onion, we want 1/4 cup. 2 tablespoons of cilantro. All right, so I rough chopped some peanuts with my bowl chop, and I'm gonna put those on top, and then I'm gonna save some for the top. And here's our basis for our salad. Now, we're gonna make our sauce. Okay, we are going to do 1 lime juiced, a tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. You can use soy sauce if you don't have this. Oh, garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, a little salt. Oh, a dash of ginger. Okay, 1/3 cup of peanut butter smooth. So there is our peanut butter sauce. I'm gonna take what I have saved of my cilantro and my peanuts, and I'm gonna give it a little topping. I mean, come on! This is what our summer salad series is all about. Let's try a little bite. I am very excited about this. This is delicious.